sir. Good evening. Sorry, good afternoon.
Yeah, I have. Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I am fit as a fiddle. Thank you asking for me. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Everything is going on very well. And ma'am, we are meeting very first time. We don't know about each other. Who are you and where are you from? Really, what do you do? So before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves so that we can ask few questions about ourselves. First of all, please say
Oh,
something about you.
okay. So, should I introduce myself?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. So, thank you so much joining me. And I would like to know. I would like to share my introduction. My name Pooja Verma. I'm from UP. I live in Kanpur, and I have completed my postgraduate in education. And I have two beautiful daughters. And apart from that, I have a small YouTube channel where I upload conversation and short video. That's all about me.
Yes. This wonderful introduction from your side. And may I introduce myself?
Yes.
Yes. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Nowadays my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why I am using this platform. On the other hand, I run one YouTube channel which name is English with SG. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Yeah, it's a great introduction. So, you work in a hospital, right? So how do you
Yes,
manage everything? Because in hospital there is no holiday. We have to go to hospital every day. We have to go on time. We have to come on time. So how do you manage? Because when we do conversation to each other, we have to give at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes proper time. How do you manage everything?
yes. It is a wonderful question for me because I work in a hospital and I have to do shifting duty morning, evening, night. That's why I don't get free time. And apart from also being a family member, I have a lot of work in my family and I am learning this language as well as also I am running one YouTube channel. That's why I don't get free time and I have to manage the all things. And yeah, in the hospital, I have to do shifting duty morning, evening, night. For example, today I go to the night duty. That's why daytime I am free. Yeah, I am using this time. And whenever I go to the morning time, at that time I make the video evening time. And when I go to the evening time, evening duty, at that time I make the video in the morning time. Yeah, in this way right now I am practicing right now.
Yes, yeah. At that way you can manage very wisely and smartly, right? Your work. Okay, it's great.
Yeah,
Okay, so
actually,
how is the weather on your side? How is
yes,
the
ask
weather
me.
today?
Oh, whether this summer season is going on, it is so hot and it is scorching outside. Yeah, and the temperature is increased day by day. And how is the weather over there in your state?
Yes, in Kanpur there is scorching hot, we can say, because nowadays summer season is going on, so definitely there is scorching hot.
Yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And when did you start your English speaking journey?
Yeah, actually 7 month has been completed, eight is running.
Okay. You have been
Yes,
learning this language
but
7 months.
yes, and recently I started my YouTube channel, and apart from that, connecting with people also. Because before I used to practice through the audio call, but after that I made decision because when we practice through the video session, through the video call, it's helpful. It's helpful a lot with people if they practice every day. Front of people, and they will get rid of their fear also. So I can say like that because I saw lots of changes on myself after connecting with people.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. You have been learning this language more than 7 months. Right now, also you are speaking English very well. There's no doubt. And maybe every single day you are making this kind of video with another person who belong to another state, maybe who belong to another country. And right now you are speaking English with another person. And after learning this language, after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yes, because this language gave me confidence and courage to handle the situation, because we know very well this language is very mandatory for everyone. If we go like daughter school, so like if we go daughter school, we attend the PTM meeting, so it's helpful for us. And nowadays we can give environment for their children also. So
Yes.
yes, I am happy. I'm over the moon, we can say, about this
Yes.
language, because this language gave me so many courage, so many confidence, and gave me some opportunities also. Because when we are totally homemaker, so people think this is ordinary work, like housework is very ordinary work. Nobody respect that work. But if we do something new in your life, so people respect you, people give opportunity, and people give everything, we can say.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. If you are learning for a, you are learning this language for a long time, maybe you had to face a lot of problem. Right now, also you are speaking English. Definitely, after learning this language, definitely you will be happy in your life. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. You are running your YouTube channel. Maybe you have a few relatives, you have a few friends. They know about your English speaking journey. Right now, also you are speaking English, but what kind of comments are you getting from your friend circle, from your relative cycle? Are you getting good comments? Are you getting bad comments? What kind of comments are you getting?
From the YouTube and from the friends.
Yeah, maybe from your friend circle, from your YouTube channel.
Okay, so if I talk about for my friends, so they comments me every time good, because they always say, Pooja, I appreciated you, because you are doing really good work, and you have improved so much. And if I talk about like YouTube, so I got, we can say, one comment. It was wrong, but it was not too much wrong, we can say. Actually, when I started uploading video, at that time, after 3 and 4 video, I made one video related the chat GTP. Okay, whatever I have knowledge, I spoke that video. But one person, I don't know, he and I didn't know, but he commented me like, you have zero knowledge about the AI. So I accepted. I have know anything, because whatever I have knowledge, I spoke there. If you have too much, because in in AI and in other sector, I don't have more, we can say, plenty of knowledge. Because when we work there, so definitely we can gain some knowledge. But I gave reply her कि I don't have plenty of knowledge, and I gave her a reply also कि thank you so much, you came my channel and you visited my channel. So yes,
Yes.
I think.
Yeah, and from my side, I have been running my YouTube channel more than 1 year. I got so many messages from my YouTube channel. I got so many messages from my friend circle, and after watching my video, they told me, bro, how did you learn this language, and what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill? Tell me, I will learn this language. Yeah, yeah, and keep doing hard work, keep practicing, keep learning. You are doing a good job. This kind of comments I am getting, and they always ask me, how did you learn this language? Please tell me. Yeah, I replied, bro, always for learning this language, always you have to speak regular basis. Speaking is the most important part, and always you have to open your mouth in English every single day. Always you have to speak minimum 10 minutes and 20 minutes, but they are not satisfied with my answer. They always think that, yeah, If there is a secret, yeah, I will share with you with them, and they will learn this language very easily. Yeah, they always think that.
Yes, because there is no any shortcut place. There is no any
Yes,
shortcut place if you want to enhance your communication skills and apart from that improve yourself. So you should practice every day. Come out your comfort zone and practice, practice. Open your mouth and practice. Because my friends also ask me so many times how
yes,
how did you improve yourself? Because nowadays you have improved so many things. What do you do for your speaking part and for your vocabulary part? So I told them several times because I don't procrastinate my practice. I always follow the consistency. I keep sending message in the group and I keep talking with people because I am fond of talking with people because I like so much. Because if you want to enhance your communication skills, so practice is very important because
yes, yes, you're right.
consistency play a vital role in your life and in your channel in your day to day life also. So
Yes,
if you I
yeah,
think if you have at least 10 minutes and 20 minutes, so you can give time yourself and you can practice whatever you see surrounding us. You can start describing surrounding us whatever you see.
yes, yes. Yeah, I told to my friends, yeah, many times, so many times, keep practicing, and every single day, always you have to speak 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And English is not my mother tongue, it is second language. That's why it will always take time. Yeah, and it is not a piece of cake, it is not a cup of tea, because in my locality, in my country, there is no good English environment. Environment is very important. Environment plays a vital role for learning any language. In my country, in my locality, there is a good environment of our native language. That's why we learn our native language very easily, because there is a good environment of our native language. But in my locality, there is no good English environment. That's why it will always take time. Yeah, I replied, but they are not satisfied with my answer. They always think that, yeah, maybe there is a secret. Yeah, I will share with them, and they will learn this language very easily.
Yes, right. People think like that. This is any like a secret, but they don't want to share with me. People think
Yeah,
like that, but there is no any secret. If you want to improve yourself, so you can practice, practice, practice. There is no any
yeah.
shortcut place. Yes, and do you think if people want to learn this language but they don't have any kind of partner and environment, but how can they learn this language?
Yeah, to be honest, it is wonderful question for me, because when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I had to face a lot of problem. I had to face this kind of problem because I belong to village area. Yeah, there is no good English environment, and no one speak English in my locality. No one speak English in my surrounding. Yeah, that's why I had to face a lot of problem. And at that time, I used to use so many applications. I mean, Highbrow, Excellency, CV, those kind of application I used to use at that time. And using that those kind of application every single day, I talk to another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country every single day. Yeah, and if you who are beginner, who want to learn this language, first of all they can use those kind of application. Nowadays also I don't use those kind of application. Nowadays I use this application as well as Zoom application. And nowadays, every single day, I try to make with another person video conversation. But when I started my English speaking journey, at that time, using those kind of application, I talk with another person with audio call.
Yes, because when I was totally beginner, I used to use a Peerup app, and after that, I got like a CB app. Okay, because my friends told me, so I installed the Peerup app, not CB app. Peerup app because there is free of cost. We can use 20 hours and 20 hours all the day according your time. You can talk with people because if we use CBF, so there is limited time, only 30 minutes we have time, we can talk to each other. But in PeerUp we have more time to talk to each other. But I noticed one thing because when I was totally beginner, I used to use PeerUp. So I noticed one thing, just like if any women say I'm a homemaker, people start we can say people start flirting with her. Why? Because they think like women don't have knowledge. Women don't have knowledge and they don't have courage to speak with person. So I think people shouldn't do like that. And now she is a beginner, but after because she come in this platform because she want to improve herself. That's why she come in this platform. On this platform made only practice purpose, not flirting purpose. Because some people
Yes,
come
yes,
in this platform only time pass.
yes,
I
yes.
saw
You're right.
many people in this app.
Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, in my point, as far as I remember, when I started those kind of applications, CV application, I observed that at that time I got few learner after speaking just 2 or 3 seconds. Yeah, bro, where are you from? And Kyle, what do you do? After that, they disconnect the call. But what is the reason? I didn't know. Yeah, and those kind of learner also they are also using those kind of application.
Yes, and sometimes I face like that problem also, because if I start talking with them and after few minutes they ask how are you and where are you from, and after that they start talking Hindi. What is your native
Okay.
language? They start talking with Hindi. So it's not because I got time for practice purpose only, because Hindi language we know our native language is Hindi. We talk to each other Hindi to English, Hindi to Hindi. But we want to improve ourselves. That's why we come in this platform. So if
Yes.
I get partner, so we can talk English to English. But they start using Hindi.
Yes, you're right. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. At the beginning time, when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, did you join any coaching center? I mean, did you go anywhere in any institute for learning this language?
Yes, I joined online classes and 4 months. I
For
joined
months.
in yes 4 months, and after that
And
I have been practicing on myself.
okay. And how much money
Yes,
you had to pay for joining this coaching center?
yeah. Actually, I had to pay only 600 monthly.
Okay.
600 monthly. Yes,
And did you get any advantage for speaking English?
yes. I got so many advantage because she made me capable and enough to speak with people, and I face people. I can talk with people. She made me enough. But yes, I am certified that we can say in coaching.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah, if
because
you go
I
to the
saw.
coaching, yes,
Mhm,
carry
yes,
on.
because if we use like if we go any institute, so they always teach only grammar portion. They don't teach them how to frame the sentence, how to communicate with people. They teach only
Okay.
grammar. They provide only 30 months only, because I got so many, we can say institute. I visited so many institute, and after that I joined spoken
Okay.
online classes. Yes,
Okay. And ma'am, what is your future plan? What is your goal? And why are you learning this language?
because I have burning desire to become a good speaker, and down the line I want to open my own institute.
Okay.
I like who is a beginner, and I want to teach them. And recently, I started giving spoken classes also for the beginner.
Okay. Okay. All right, ma'am. It was a
Yes,
nice conversation with you. Yeah, keep practicing, keep learning. Definitely, one day you will be a good English speaker. Yeah. And after connecting with you, I have learned so many things. You have spoken very well. Yeah, I have learned so many things. And thank you for giving your valuable time. All right. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good
thank
day.
you so much. Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
It was nice.